Here we're going to start with your right leg at a 90-degree angle in front, and then you're going to stack your left leg on top of your right at a 90-degree angle as well. And as most of the hips stretches that we've been doing, you have to tilt your butt back and lift your chest as you lean forward, and that's how you get deeper in the stretch. I find this stretch pretty intense, and eventually, as you get more flexible, you can really get deep and lower your chest close to your legs. That's quite uncomfortable for me. I'm gonna ease off. Also, keep your feet flexed. You want your ankles nice and strong in this posture. Switch leg. Your left is under the right now. Next, you're going onto your right knee and extend your left leg. You're gonna get a nice stretch in your inner hips. In this stretch, you can try to activate your extended leg and even scissoring your legs together and see how that impacts what you feel in your body. Maybe you'll feel like you're opening a bit more when you scissor your legs together, or maybe you just want to sink in the stretch. It's up to you. And again, just like we did in the frog, you want to press your butt back. Try not to lean forward. Switch side. Oof, I'm feeling it on that side for some reason. It's pretty uncomfortable. All right. Now we're going to stretch in the low lunge. That may not seem like a real hip flexibility stretch, but it does get your hip flexors and it will improve your flexibility overall. So why not? Start with your right foot in front and keep your back toes untucked. Lift your chest as you inhale, and then keeping your legs active, pressing your left knee towards your right foot, sink your hips into the stretch. Switch side. Left foot in front. Lift your chest. And again, I want you to always scissor your legs together. And as you press your knee towards your foot, in this case it's the right knee towards the left foot, you really will feel the intensity of the stretch increase. This one hurts on my knee. If you have a sensitive knee, place a pillow under your knee, that'll help. Or here I find that tucking my toes helps as well. Okay, and for our last stretch today, you're going to stand. Wide-legged forward fold, standing here. Always stick your butt out and then lean forward with your chest. You can use your hands pressing forwards with your fingertips and it helps you get deeper in the stretch. You can even bring your hands back under your legs. I find that when I lean towards my toes and try to bring my head closer to the mat, I get deeper in the stretch. And also I'm always pressing my hands on the floor, pulling them towards me. All right, you're done for this routine.